In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to amend a tax return in TurboTax. If you've already filed your return and later realize something needs to be corrected, TurboTax makes it fairly straightforward to update the information and submit an amended return. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic flow so you know exactly where to go and what to expect. Start by opening the TurboTax home screen. This is the main dashboard where your tax return information is displayed and where you can access tools related to your filing. Before making any changes, it's a good idea to confirm that the original return was already filed and accepted, since an amendment is meant to correct a return that has already been processed. Taking a moment to verify that first can help avoid confusion later. Once you're on the home screen, look for the option labeled Amend or Change Return and select it. This is the feature TurboTax uses to begin the amendment process. When you open it, the program will guide you into a version of your return where corrections can be made without replacing your original filing. That's important because the amended return is designed to show what changed after the original submission. As you move through the amendment section, update the necessary information carefully. Depending on what you're correcting, this could involve income details, deductions, credits, or other tax-related entries. Take your time here and review each change closely. Even a small adjustment can affect your refund amount or tax due, so accuracy matters. If TurboTax prompts you with review screens, use them to confirm that the updated details are correct before continuing. After all updates are completed, continue through the prompts until you're ready to submit Form 1040X. This is the official amended U.S. individual income tax return form, and TurboTax prepares it based on the corrections you entered. Before submitting, it's worth reviewing the summary one more time so you understand the final changes being reported. That extra check can help catch errors before the amendment is sent. Once everything looks correct, submit Form 1040X through TurboTax. After submission, keep a copy of the amended return for your records in case you need to reference it later.